Hey guys, welcome to the Artisan channel. And if you're like me and you're bored of your plainly gray joycons and blue and red joycons and stuff like that, and you want to change it up a little bit, make it more spicy, now then I have the right thing for you. Bam! This here from ExtremeRate will make your joycons look different and also will give it a D-pad. So let me just install it magically and I'll show you how it looks like in the end. Now this is what it looks like after installing. As you can see, this chameleon blue color is blue but shifts over to purple when you tilt it. They also have a green color version of it. Actually, they have a very big selection of colors available on their Amazon, and the experience of going through ordering this and stuff like that was very pleasant. They got all kinds of different colors. Let me name them for you. For the D-pad version, they got black, they got black silver carbon fiber, they got blue flame, caution yellow, chameleon purple, blue and chrome gold, classic nest style, classic SNES style, demons and monsters, heaven blue, light violet, mint green, orange gold star universe, red sakura pink, the great wave, white wood grain, clear atomic purple, transparent clear blue, green and red, and all that kind of colors which are available for the D-pad over at their Amazon store and AliExpress store. Now they also have shells for the Nintendo Switch Pro controller and also for Xbox One and PlayStation 4 controllers and stuff like that. So I highly recommend you to check out the Amazon link in the description down below and check their products out. They really are of high quality and it's very interesting to check them out. Now, the box did not contain a backplate for the Nintendo Switch, but it did contain everything you see in front of you as well as a screwdriver. So let's just open up the box and see what's inside. Now, doesn't that look different? So let's just see what's all included in this package. So opening this up here, we have a screwdriver, a 1-year warranty card, not really that important now. And we have the screws as well as screw tips with springs and stuff like that, which you need for your Joy-Con. And here we have all the buttons and a nice screwdriver. Let's see what quality this screwdriver is of, because I would love to have a good screwdriver. Wow. Yeah, that's a good screwdriver, all right. Wow, that's awesome. So they gave you everything you need in the box. You don't need to buy anything extra. Probably here you have the, let's just check out if they have the right screw heads in here. So the screwdriver they provided in the box with a tri-wing head, screwdriver head, and a Phillips screwdriver head. This is all you need to open up the switch. They have a whole bag full of the designated screws you need to finish your build, and everything you need was included in the box, which was very pleasant to see and a very pleasant experience to work with. For the rest, I would say installing this took me around 1.5 hours to get it done, but it was worth every minute of it. I wouldn't say it was a breeze. I wouldn't say it was very easy, but if you follow all the steps in the video tutorial they provided, then you should be fine, and that would not be an issue. The video link of the tutorials in the description down below in case you want to switch out your Switch Joy-Con shell and have purchased this for yourself and you want to check that out. Feel free to check down the description down below. So now let's test out some Switch games that need the D-pad, and after that it will be a wrap. So let's test out the D-pad of the ExtremeRate shell. See how good it is. Feels like a very good proper D-pad, one of the best D-pads I've felt in quite a while. because it has the ergonomic design with a concave mid part, so it's very nice to rest your fingers on. Now, okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful to you at all. Leave a comment down in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.